In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a complex project or keeping track of a personal goal, setting milestones can help you visualize your progress and stay on track. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on this, and it will take you to the login interface. Here, you'll be given several options to sign in, but for this tutorial, we're going to use the Google account option. Simply click on Google and select your account from the list provided. If prompted, enter your credentials to proceed. Now that you're logged into your Monday.com account, the next step is to navigate to the specific board where you wish to add your milestone. Boards in Monday.com act like digital whiteboards where all your tasks are organized. Find the board in your workspace, and once you're on your board, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you're on the right board, the important part begins, adding that timeline column. Look to the top of your table where you'll find a small plus icon. Clicking this icon will allow you to add a new column to your board. When prompted, type in timeline into the column options. By selecting timeline, you're setting the stage for adding your milestone. This feature provides a visual representation of tasks over a specified period, which is perfect for milestone tracking. Having added the timeline column, it's time to define your milestone. Click on the newly added timeline header. This will prompt you to set a start and an end date. Consider these dates as the window during which your milestone is expected to be achieved. Be mindful of your project timelines when choosing these dates, as they will influence how your project develops and what tasks need to be prioritized. And there you have it. You've successfully added a milestone in Monday.com. This milestone will now appear in the timeline view, providing you with a comprehensive look at your project's progression and a clear goal to aim towards. Remember, milestones are not just checkpoints. They're motivators along your project journey, keeping you and your team aligned and focused on the end goal. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a quick refresher on creating milestones. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks to enhance your project management skills. Until next time, happy organizing with Monday.com.